All right, so we got a duplex in University Place. Let's break this deal down to see how much you could cash flow and if you should buy it or not. All right, so it's a 6 bedroom, 6 bath, 3140 square foot duplex in University Place. The purchase price is $1 million. That's roughly, if you're looking at it, that's roughly 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths on each side, and roughly about 1,500 square feet. The listing says that the pro forma rents for this property are $3,000 per side, so you would be making $6,000 total in rent. Now, key into here is pro forma. Pro forma rents means bullshit. It doesn't mean anything. Those aren't the actual rents. It just means pro forma as, oh, we think the market will supply this rent. It's bullshit. It's not the actual rents. You want to call the agent up and get the actual rents. But we'll run the numbers on the pro forma rents of what their delusion thinks that we should pay for this property. Let's take a look at the couple of interior pictures. Here's a really important thing that you might want to look at is it still has white appliances and it still has those oak cabinets. So $3,000 of rent for 1,500 square feet in University Place is doable, but you would need stainless steel. You would need, painted cabinets. Everything would need to be upgraded inside to make it look like 2020 or newer. This clearly isn't that. So to get your pro forma rents would be very hard. So that's something to consider when looking at this. So let's break the deal down. They want $1 million down. That's the purchase price. Let's say you're giving 20% down. That's $200,000, 7% interest rate. Now that's very, very conservative. It's probably going to be higher than that because it's an investment property. 94.36 for your property taxes. Homeowners insurance is 15%, and you don't have HOA, and you're already at 64.34 for your mortgage payment, which, if you do the math, $6,000 of rent, 62.34 with paying everything. That's something that obviously you're in the red in that. Another thing to consider is property management fees, landscaping fees, who's paying the water, sewer, garbage. Usually in townhouses or duplexes that look like this, water, sewer, garbage is paid by the actual tenant. But if there's only one water line, then you're probably paying the water by yourself. So that's something to consider when looking at this, that you're already in the red and then you might have to pay a water bill or a sewer bill. I know specifically in this area that the sewer bill is on the owner because there's only one sewer line for the duplex. There's not two sewer lines. So you can obviously make the tenant pay for that, but you're already at a surplus rent of $3,000 a month, and you're going to add utilities on top of that, and you have oak cabinets, and you have white appliances and not stainless steel appliances. If you do the math, this is definitely a pass.